In the world of business English, phone calls remain an important form of communication. Whether you're making a call to schedule a meeting, providing a client with information, or following up on an important issue, knowing how to effectively make a call in English is crucial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the basics of professional business English etiquette for making and receiving calls in English. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Making a business call in English. When making a business call, the first impression is often the most important. You need to be clear, concise, and professional the moment the phone is answered. So you need to prepare before the call. Know the purpose and be clear for the reason for your call, whether it's to make an inquiry on behalf of the company, set up a meeting, or follow up on a previous conversation. Preparation is what will make you more confident during the call. If you need to reference a specific detail, such as dates, numbers, or documents, have them ready and available for calling, and set a goal. Determine what you want to achieve by the end of the call before you make it. So this could be scheduling a meeting, confirming details, or getting feedback. Key phrases for making calls in English. Here are some greetings and introductions you can use. Good morning, good afternoon. This is your name from company name. Hello, my name is your name and I'm calling about subject. Here are some phrases stating the purpose of the call. I'm calling to discuss subject. I want to follow up on previous conversation. I'm reaching out to schedule a regular meeting topic. Making a request or asking for an action. Could you please send me document information? I was hoping to get your feedback on topic. Here are some phrases for handling a voicemail if the person is unavailable or doesn't pick up the phone. I'm sorry I missed you. Please give me a call back at phone number when you have a chance. Please leave a message with your contact details and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Answering a phone professionally in business English. Receiving a call. When receiving a business call in English, it's essential to be polite, professional, and attentive. How you handle incoming calls impacts how you're perceived in the business world. Answering the phone politely. First thing you want to pick up promptly, especially if from someone important or important company. Try to aim to pick up the phone within 2 to 3 rings, showing attentiveness and professionalism. Then start with a greeting, such as, hello, this is your name from company name. How can I help you? Good morning, good afternoon, company name, your name, speaking, how can I assist you? Handling the call. Make sure to be attentive and focused. Listen carefully to the caller's requests or questions and take notes if necessary to keep track of key information. If you don't understand something, ask for clarification and politely ask the caller to repeat or clarify. For example, I'm sorry, could you clarify that? Could you repeat that last part? I didn't quite catch it. Here are some phrases to put the call on hold if necessary. Please hold for a moment while I check the information. Let me quickly check and I'll be right back with you. Here are some phrases for taking messages. I'm afraid person's name is not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message? I'll make sure person's name gets your message and returns your call as soon as possible. And then it's time end the call politely using these phrases. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. I appreciate your time. Goodbye. Before I get back to the video, let me ask you this. Are you tired of struggling and feeling like you're not making progress in English? If you're watching this and feeling deep down that your English skills are holding you back from acing that interview, getting that promotion, and making more money with your English, then it's time to take action. Check out the link in the description and first pinned comment to book a free consultation call for my online English coaching program, which is designed for people like you to help you overcome these challenges once and for all. Don't let another opportunity slip past you because you didn't invest in yourself. Click the link in the description and fill out the quick application and secure your spot for a consultation call with me to see how I can help you achieve your goals. Don't wait till it's too late. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. Common business call scenarios. Leaving a voice message. If the person you're calling doesn't answer, you may need to leave a voicemail. It's important to be clear and concise while providing the necessary information during your voice message. The key elements for a good voice message are introducing yourself, saying something like, hi, this is your name from company. Then state the purpose of the call. I'm calling to discuss subject. Provide a call to action. Please give me a call back at this number. And finally, leave your contact details. You can reach me at phone number. Handling a difficult call. Sometimes business calls in English can be challenging, especially when there's a misunderstanding or conflict. So in these situations, it's important to stay calm and professional. Remember, don't get defensive. Acknowledge any issue and then offer solutions. You can say something like, I understand your concern and I'm happy to resolve this. Let's see what we can do to fix this issue. If you don't know the answer or how to resolve it, you can say, let me check on that and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I don't have that information right now, but I'll make sure to send it to you shortly. Next is transferring calls. If you need to transfer a caller to someone else at the company, it can be nerve-wracking. So here are some expressions you can use to do it smoothly with a polite explanation. I'll transfer you to person's name who can assist you further. Please hold for a moment while I connect you to the right department. Tips for effective business English phone communication. Remember to speak clearly and slowly at a moderate pace, especially when dealing with explaining or discussing complex information or technical terms. This helps the recipient understand what you're saying clearly. Avoid background noise. Try to make your calls in a quiet place where there's minimal distraction and outside noise, which can affect how well the listener can hear you. Always stay professional. Maintain a polite and professional tone, even if you're calling to someone you've spoken to many times. Be prepared. Have key points or questions ready before making the call to avoid forgetting important details. Summarize key points. At the end of the call, summarize the main points discussed to confirm that both parties understood and are on the same page. Making and receiving calls are an important skill for effective communication in a business English scenario. By being polite, clear, and professional, you can ensure that your calls are successful, even when speaking your second language. Now that you've learned how to make and receive calls in English, the next step is to learn how to conduct meetings in business English. So watch this video here where I'm going to teach you how to do just that. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to watch more lessons like this, make sure to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!